Climate crisis makes us increasingly more exposed to stressors such as heat, noise, and air pollution, and more soil is being sealed day by day. Green spaces are being sacrificed and becoming smaller. But what we really need are more flourishing gardens instead of stone deserts, more urban greenery instead of concrete surfaces, more spaces that bloom, no matter how big or small. For our own well-being, for a greater diversity of animals and plants, and to reduce heat, especially in our cities. Green spaces mean life and quality of life, but they can only exist when they're cared for in the right way. Using our most precious resource wisely is key, because every drop counts. There are many ways to take action and create your own green space. Our clever watering solutions will help you to act more sustainably, to save water, and to build new green spaces. Let's rethink together and make the world a greener place. Realize your gardening dreams. Gardena.